There's too much torque under this puppy. Too much torque, the hood's starting to rattle off. Hello and welcome back. This is the same video. Project Runner. We're about to do the oil change on it too. Haven't touched this car yet, so this is the first thing we'll be doing. And luckily, I can just get right under here. Look at that puppy. I'm gonna take a look at it. Maybe spray some of it. Holy cannoli.
Oh, it's leaking?
No. I mean, there's some sweating around here. Spray! I like that. I like that. That's good. Alright, oil change. Let me pop the hood. I just found the ring to the Vivio. That's probably going to be annoying. Alright, we'll keep that for a later date. Just know I put it there. That looks decent. It's definitely old, a little bit old. It's definitely got a lot in there. This thing's not, I hope it's not gonna overfill. Kinda looks like it's going to. Should I do something about this? I should probably do something. No, that's fine. All night long. Shoots. Got the rag dipped in the freaking mud. Rag dipped in the mud. Alright, let me see. Time it is 8:14. Still not night. That's oil. It's not that bad. It's definitely not clean. That was stupid. Why did I do that? Alright, watch me screw this up. Ugh. .5. Oil change done. It's like 9 o'clock. Wow, I dropped it. It's like 9 o'clock. What time is it? 8:30. No, that's not bad. Let's go! Changed oil.
Somebody
Check.
out here. Goddamn.
Oh, I know, the mosquitoes, because there's the pool next door is full with freaking algae.
Oh, really?
It's a breeding ground, dude. Cesspool. Oil change is done. Thank you for joining. We'll see you later.